In problems number 19, 20, and 21, we're going to start putting everything together that we've learned. So let's take a look at problem number 19. We've got the square root of 12. The first thing we need to do is find the largest perfect square, the largest orange number that goes into 12. So I'm going to start trying at 9 because I know it needs to be smaller than 12. So I'm going to do 12 divided by 9. That gives me a decimal, so that's not it. So now I'll try 12 divided by 4, and that works, and I'm left over with 3. So on my paper, I'm going to write the square root of 4, because that was my largest perfect square, times the square root of 3. Using my paper over here, my bookmark, I will see that the square root of 4, my perfect square, is actually plus and minus 2. So to simplify further, I'll write plus minus 2. There's nothing I can do with that radical 3. It's not on the list, so I just write it next to the 2. Let's take a look at the square root of 90. I need to find the largest perfect square that will go into 90. So I'm just going to start trying some numbers. 90 divided by 64, decimal. 90 divided by 49, decimal. Try 36. Again, you want to go in order so you don't skip anything. I have 2.5. So now I'm going to try 25. I still have a decimal. 16, decimal. 9. Oh, I get 10. So 9 is the largest perfect square that goes into 90. So I'm going to write the square root of 9 times my leftover, which is 10, radical 10. I'll look on my bookmark and I see that the square root of 9 is plus and minus 3. So I'll write that here. Square root of 10 is not on my list, so I just put it next to the 3. Now we're going to simplify the square root of 200. So I'm going to try to figure out what the largest perfect square is that goes into 200. So I'm going to do 200. I'll start over here with 144. So 200 divided by 144. That doesn't work. So now I'm going to try 121. That doesn't work. I'm still getting a decimal. I need to find the largest orange number that I can divide into 200. That will give me a whole number or no decimal. So now I'm on to 100. And that works. I get 2. So the square root of 200 can be broken up as the square root of 100 times the square root of 2. When I look on my list, the square root of 100 is plus and minus 10. And the square root of 2 are my leftovers. It's not on the list. So that is the whole process of simplifying a radical. You're going to try problems 22 through 24 on your own.